A man is but a product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. I will not let anyone walk through my mind with their dirty feet. Nobody can hurt me without my permission. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is an attribute of the strong. An ounce of practice is worth 1,000 words. A coward is incapable of exhibiting love. It is the prerogative of the brave. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. Service which is rendered without joy helps neither the servant nor the served. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. If I have the belief that I can do it, I shall surely acquire the capacity to do it, even if I may not have it at the beginning. Hate the sin, love the sinner. Glory lies in the attempt to reach one's goal and not in reaching it. Whenever you are confronted with an opponent, conquer him with love. Permanent good can never be the outcome of untruth and violence. The future depends on what you do today. To give pleasure to a single heart by a single act is better than 1,000 heads bowing in prayer. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. You don't know who is important to you until you actually lose them. I object to violence because when it appears to do good, the good is only temporary. The evil it does is permanent. You may never know what results may come of your actions, but if you do nothing, there will be no results. I cannot conceive of a greater loss than the loss of one's self-respect. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is like an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. An eye for eye only ends up making the whole world blind.